fetch the water, please, Dot?
Yes, ma'am. At the fair, there's going to be expositions of the future. There's going to be a graphophone. You can hear your own voice back on it. The Dickersons are going.
Bray can't spare you.